Oh, where's Cody?
Cody? I think he's washing his hands.
Oh, okay. Nyla, are you getting one?
Wait, is this for Chipotle?
No. How I get Chipotle bowls? Do you have you ever ordered from Chipotle? Do you see how stingy they are with extra meat? So why do you think they go give me extra bowls? They don't play that. Also too, I went to the restaurant store and was able to get these. A specific oh yeah, put these under yours. Put this under. Put this under. You coming, Cody? Come on, buddy. Put that under.
Yeah, Cody. Chop, chop, little Cody.
Put that under there. And put that under there. Perfect. You enjoy your spring break? Had some fun? That's good. Go ahead, grab the bag you want. Grab it. Perfect. Go ahead, grab what you want. Go ahead and grab it. Perfect. Grab the kind you want. Go ahead, buddy.
Wait, where's his? No. I just came back.
Cody was right here. You want a hot dog? Did you say yeah the whole time? Or did you change your mind?
No, because I went to the bathroom.
No worries. I got you. This one could be for yours. I'll get you one, Cody. You want, oh, you gonna be right here? Okay. Go ahead. Grab your chips, y'all. Grab a bag. Here, go ahead, grab a bag. Where my tops go? Oh. You all got one bag? Hey. Do you all got one bag?
Yeah, I got one bag.
You all got a bowl, container? You all set? Fantastic. Go ahead, open up your bun. Go ahead, open up your bun. Open up your hot dog bun.
Sweating.
I did do some sweating. It was playing kickball when y'all was playing kickball. Go ahead, open yours up. Open it up, open it up. You gotta get your chips off your bowl. Bread is soft? You like it?